Okay, guys, today we're gonna be playing Animal Company with my cousin. We're gonna be
Yes,
like grinding
sir.
money and stuff. So he broke his arm, so he only has one arm right now. So yeah, hold on.
Yep. And my cousin is still playing with me. The best cousin ever. Everybody sub to him. Sub to this guy. Sub to him.
Don't shoot that.
I'm not.
I have the just insta blind.
Don't always try it because it probably could attract this fish
Ogre,
monster.
ogre.
Good boy, good boy. Go this way, go this way, go this way. Wait, this way is Dark Forest.
All right, it's not dark anymore.
Bro, it just made the. Oh crap. Wait, hold on.
What?
I'm trying.
Do we need light?
We're good. Okay, we gotta kill that fat boy. I think that way's Mimic Cave.
Okay, give me a second then.
Are you gonna blow? I don't not.
It won't go. Okay. Yo, big boy.
Hold on, you have to wait. He's over here.
Where'd he go?
That big chungus motherfucker.
Yo, don't say that.
I didn't say the whole. I didn't say the whole thing. I said. Sorry.
Still, I'm gonna get demonetized.
Hey.
Where'd you go?
Ah!
Got you. No! No! Where'd you go? I dropped my backpack. Got it. Are you good? Come back to the cave. I have your stuff. Okay, guys. So he just died. I have to protect his stuff. Gotta make sure it doesn't go away.
My God, come back. I resurrected from the dead. Where'd my oh, there's the revolver.
Where'd the... Oh, there it is.
It's over here. Yeah, Mimic Cave right here.
I'm gonna just hold on to this. Alright, Mimic Cave is in here.
Babe, do you have the big flashlight? Rock monkey's in it.
Yeah.
Done.
Give me a second. I gotta get out. Alright, so I don't have any ammo
Flare gun.
for my thing. You...
Revolver. Do you want it? Do you want this revolver?
Yeah, I need to reload my stuff. Give me a second. I gotta... What was that?
Bro, it's stupid creature.
Okay.
Come on, I gotta... You have me put some stuff back in my bag.
Yeah. Oh, it went in. Hold on.
Trying to get this revolver.
Here, I'm gonna just...
Oh, my thingy.
Hold on, I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna grab a revolver.
Yeah, everybody step to this guy. He's the goat. Run. Go. Rock monkey.
Armstrong.
Oh, flare gun. Wait, there's a flare gun over there. There's a flare gun over there.
Alright, go.
Hey, big boy. I got it.
That was last second.
Grenade.
Right there. Shotgun ammo.
Shoddy ammo.
I need that. I need that.
I did. I'll protect us for a second. I'm not fully out yet, I don't think.
Okay, I need a... Boom. Alright, I'm ready. You ready?
Yes, let's go.
Alright, let's
Rock monkeys, come back.
Let's go this way.
Look. The way, alright. Let's go this way. Oh, wait, dead end.
That was
There's a
dead
flare
end.
gun.
If I die, I don't know the way back. Bro.
Yeah, wait, where'd you think go? Oh, yeah,
Where'd you go?
I see you. Right here.
Mimic.
Look that way. Rock monkey. Get in the corner, get in the corner.
Oh. If he comes, we gotta shoot him.
You have something? You have something to shoot? Alright, yay. I'm gonna glock this son of a gun.
A rock monkey! I'm sure. Look up there. You can go up there. He's coming.
Get ready,
He's
get ready.
coming. I'm good on health.
Come on. Get back. He knows he's right here. He can see the light.
Bro, I see your cheeks bouncing.
Get ready. Okay, should we just attack him? Look right. Rock monkey. Kill! Nice!
Alright, get that. Get it. Here.
Yeah.
It won't open. Oh, wait. Go, boy.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait. Impulse grenade.
Oh, yeah. Put the revolver in your bag.
I have a revolver.
Alright, I'm gonna do this 1 second.
There's a flare gun right here. Should I pick it up?
Yeah. Alright. I need to... Here,
I kind of need some.
Here, put the revolver in
Wow.
your bag. I'll give it to you when I get up.
I have a little bit more ammo.
Alright, put the revolver in your bag.
Hold on.
Mimic!
Where are you?
Here. Oh. I thought you were gonna...
Hold on. Put the flashlight there. Bro, I'm so good.
I thought... hold on, give me a second.
Wait. Yeah, you're right, mimic. Rock monkey.
Where?
He's coming.
Hold on. I need to put some stuff away.
Yeah, mimic. Yeah.
Wait here. I can't move. Bro,
Are you getting good?
no.
Get down.
I'm not good. I'm low. Never mind. Bro! Ow! What hit me?
The idiot. Where the hell?
What the hell?
Die! Yes! Yes!
Oh
Holy
my
hell.
gosh. What? No.
Give me that freaking. I'm stuck.
Oh,
I'm gonna.
I got this thing. Let me just do this.
He's up there. Screw you!
Did you kill him?
I'm low.
Ah!
have to.
Hide.
I did not load him.
Hide! I'm low.
We need to get out of here, bro.
Bro, come here.
Chat, we got it. I have impulse.
No, don't run.
Where are you?
Do you have any heals?
Where are you? No.
Oh, no.
Just pray to God. Wait, I have an impulse grenade.
Alright, you gotta throw the impulse grenade and then we gotta run. Don't do it yet.
It could kill us. Is he coming?
No. Your eyes glow.
Oh, yeah, 'cause I have frog eyes. I have a frog head. Look.
Do my eyes glow?
Yeah.
I can't see. I just flashbang the audience. Throw it.
I missed. Short. We should sell it.
Ha! Run!
Okay, then
We're
we gotta get out
selling.
of here, bro.
What's that way?
Here we go. Rock monkey, go, go, go. You can make a run for it. There's a little, we gotta get over there. You see that place?
Yeah.
We gotta get up. Go back, come back, come back.
I gotta wait to heal.
Yeah, it's good. I don't know if I got my revolver. Fully loaded RPG. I got a fully loaded RPG.
Alright, you're gonna have to use that.
To get out?
I have a
Oh,
shotgun.
my bag!
Put your stuff in.
I'm trying.
He's coming. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Alright,
It's gonna blow all of us up. We can't. I can't do it. It's a big explosion.
Alright,
I can't
put
do
it back
it.
in. Get your shotgun out. If you shoot that, if you shot that,
We would all been cooked.
is there ammo?
This thing has no ammo. I don't think so.
Reload it.
I don't have. I don't know which shotgun has it. It might have a thing in it.
Alright. We just gotta pray. Wait, test it, test it.
I don't see them. All right, should we make it? Should we do it here? Oh, but there's lava.
Oh, here, let me try.
Monkey, come back,
Let me do something, hold on.
Should we go? Should we go? Should we do that parkour?
We might have to.
Are you putting this on your YP?
Yeah. We're gonna have to.
Bet.
This light hurt. Where'd you go?
I'm up here.
At the parkour?
No, I'm over here. Look above you.
Rock monkey, get ready. Get ready. Wait, hold on. Let me just do this. Get him over here.
Hey, idiot!
Wait, he left.
All right, let's do the parkour. I'm gonna do parkour. Should we do parkour?
No, I'm gonna clutch up. Go on the parkour.
I'll tell you what's there. If I die, I'm screwed.
Wait, no, don't die. Don't. Bro, I'm watching. He's
I don't
coming
wanna do it.
back.
I'm out.
He's coming. Come back. Careful. Alright, I'm gonna hit him as soon as he comes. Get him over here. Get him over here. Yo, rock monkey. Mimic. Rock monkey. Come back, come back. Alright, we gotta. This is scary. Oh shoot. Hey, rock monkey. Got him.
Nice. Get it. All right, we gotta get the stuff and get out.
Alright, I'm gonna open it. Ooh.
Wait, I need that. Oh, you need it? Yeah! I need this.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Go. We gotta do the parkour. Let me grab the light.
Yes.
So
Wait,
we
is
can
that a shotty over there? Hold on. Is there a shotgun over here?
Hold on. Wait, nothing's over here.
I thought there was something. Okay, let's just go up there. Go up. We gotta go up. I think. Come here over here. Spooder me.
Hold on. Oh, I almost fell. Wait. There's more parkour.
There's nothing there.
Let me check. Yep, nothing. Let's go to the other one. Nothing here. Wait, we gotta go down.
Come over here.
Rock monkey.
Shotgun. Is that a shotgun?
Up here.
I found the way out.
Run! He's coming! Help! I'm stuck! There's rock monkey. I'm stuck.
Oh, I'm gonna get Pookie and Zoe. Oh, he's so fun. I love this.
Ah! Did you die? Yo, did you die? He died! No! Rock monkey. Come back. Bro, he's camping. He's literally camping. Hold on. Let me do something. Yo, Rock Monkey. Yo, come back.
I'm here. You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
Is Rock Monkey camping?
Yeah. Don't go. Just wait a second. Wait a second. Follow the light. Follow the light. No! I'm out of ammo. My shotgun's out of ammo. I'm screwed. We're screwed.
Bitch. I'm dead.
Hold on. I'll get your stuff. Hold on. Haha. Bro, he's camping. Yo, he's camping. I'm gonna get him distracted. Hold on. Yo, I'm scared. Hold on.
Yo, I'm back.
Alright, give me a second. I gotta shoot him. Got him! Got him! Got him! Got him! Got him!
I'm going.
We gotta get out of here. Got a grenade. Alright, let's go. I'll grab that shotgun for you. Okay, we gotta go.
Alright, now what do you want to do now? You want to do
Oh my.
you want to do Haunted Mansion the real
Oh
way?
my gosh.